So today we are going to learn Brinell hardness test. So why are we conducting Brinell hardness test? To find out the hardness of different types of material. So we have 4 different materials over here kept. So which are those materials? This is aluminum. So you should identify the material, which material you are going to use. This is copper. This is mild steel. And this is cast iron. Okay. So after that, what you should know is what are the different parts of the machine. So this is anvil. On this you will place the material. Okay. Then there is a ball indenter here at the upper portion. Then this is used to rotate the anvil either upward or downward direction by clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. Then this is on and off machine. Before starting the experiment you have to on the machine. Then here there is 250 kgf load already applied on the machine. 250 kgf. Then there is 2 dials here. One is outer dial and one is smaller dial. Outer dial you need not take the measurement, only the inner dial. Then there is your hand lever from A to B. That means when you have to apply major load, you have to use this hand lever. Press it from A to B, and then after that, after 15 seconds, release it. Okay. So coming to the procedure, what you have to do is first select the particular material. For example, aluminum. For aluminum there is standard 500 kgf. That load should be applied on the machine. So how to know that 500 kgf is applied or not? 250 kgf just now you saw. 250 kgf is already applied. Now how much more is required? 250 more, so that it will be 500 kg. So how to apply 500 kg? Place the material on the anvil and check a clear surface, and then rotate the anvil and take it to the ball indenter. Touch the ball indenter to the surface. After that, on the machine. Then you have to apply a minor load. Minor load consists of 250 kgf. So how to give minor load? You have to tighten this. You have to tighten until the smaller dial comes till red point. So you have to tighten this. Okay. So minor load is applied. That means total 500 kgf is applied. This minor load consists of 250 kgf. 250 is already there on the machine. So total 500 kgf. After that you have to apply major load. How to apply major load? Press the hand lever from A to B for 15 seconds. Okay, after 15 seconds, release the load from B to A. Then release this. Remove the minor load. See, there is a mark here which is applied by ball indenter on the specimen. After that, off the machine. So what you have to do of this mark is mark it with a chalk. Mark it with a chalk complete and take the dimension in microscope. So this is the microscope through which you have to check the reading of the indented part on the aluminum. So you have to mark it on the indented part and then keep the microscope on the specimen and take the dimension. Experiment you learned for the aluminum, how to take the hardness test. Now you can take for copper or mild steel or cast iron. So for different materials there is different load. which you have to apply on the machine. Same procedure, but what you have to do is first take a clear surface, keep it on the anvil and touch the ball indentor. So for copper it is 1000 kgf which you have to apply. 500 is already there, as you know. 250 kgf here, 250 minor load which you will apply, that is 500. So more 500 is required for copper. So how to apply? You have to take 2 more plates, because each plate consists of 250 kgf. So you have to hold it like this. One plate, that will be 750 kgf. Then one more plate, it will be 1000 kg. Okay, now you can start the experiment on the machine. Then give a minor load. Okay, on the machine, then give a minor load, that will be 250 kgf. So total 1000 kgf will be applied on the machine. Okay, so then you have to apply major load, remove major load and take the reading. So in the same way, for mild steel and copper it is 3000 kg. So likewise you have to apply the plates so that it will be 3000 kg. Okay, thank you.
Over.